Hey, it's me, Tim from New Perspectives Music, and I recently took the over to Narwhal Labs where we did some fun. Well, I'll tell you what. Why don't you just watch and see what we did?
So Graz, behind camera here, came up with the best phrase for us to put on the front of this truck. I think we just have to go with it. So we're gonna.
I don't think we should say what it is yet, though. I think we should just print it and put it on.
Yeah, should it be a surprise?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, you're shaking the camera. I got it. So we have a few of these vinyl cutters here. These are Silhouette Cameo 4s. This is not a sponsored thing or anything like that. We bought them. We like them. And they do what they need to do. So we have some nice soy sauce green vinyl. It's pretty close. A little brighter, maybe. And we're going to do our text right on the front of the van there. And I think we might do something along the top. The cool thing about these vinyl cutters, they sell these things at craft stores, and they're really designed for anybody to be able to pick it up. And at their core, they are a CNC machine, just like a CNC router or a laser cutter or anything like it. So we're going to use this one here, cut out Tim's lettering. This is a little tricky here because this is not quite a roll on a core. So I think we're just going to let it hang. Tim, this finished cutting out, so we're going to take this over to the workbench, and I'm going to show you what we need to do to make this go on Vanna White. Is that what we're going with?
No, but it is a Vantique.
Move this man! All right, so we'll have to trim this. We need some transfer tape, and we already have scissors, and we have some solution that we're going to use to help us apply this a little easier over there. Grab a squeegee.
All right.
And a brayer, and just in case we need it, a little dental pick to help us pull away some of the waste vinyl.
You got it, Van Morrison.
Oh no. All right, so we need to trim out what we've cut here. We don't want to throw away the rest of this vinyl. It's still good, and we can still cut plenty of other stuff out of it, so we're not going to throw that away. So I'll hand you the scissors, Tim. We'll cut along here.
My nemesis.
So now we need to pull away all the waste here, and we call this weeding. So the easy thing is just to start with a corner and just peel the worst of it, but you have to kind of stick with a steep angle there. Otherwise, it may peel up the cut stuff. So if you want to go ahead and...
Yes, sometimes
you have to be mindful of the direction of the lettering too.
Right.
So there's an inside of a C here that we need to pull back the other direction.
Yeah, I see it.
So we need to cut some transfer tape.
Okay.
So we'll spread it out to the right length, cut it the short way. Yeah. And then we kind of want to oversize a little bit with the transfer tape, give ourselves some room for error. So instead of just cutting 4 inches of this, we're just going to cut this straight in half, right down the middle.
So then what? So then you peel this off.
And adhere it here. There is some tricks though.
Is it this is two-sided?
It's single. So this, we're going to peel the paper backing off of this and keep the sticky stuff, and put the sticky stuff on top of this.
Oh, I see, because this is the direction it's going to face, and then we peel the backing off. I got you. Yep.
And now we're going to use one of my favorite tools for this. And I learned what this was from Adam Savage. And when I saw him use it, I was very thankful he said the name of what it is. It's called a brayer. And these are common in a bunch of different industries, but used commonly for vinyl lettering, for inking, all kinds of different things. And we could just use this to kind of
make sure it's
roll and squeegee out all the air here.
I can do that. Nice. And so now we can use these blue lines that are here as guides to line it up.
If we did a good job, these can be helpful to align it on the truck itself.
but we did a bad job.
We did an okay job. So we have this alcohol solution. You can also use like a soap and water solution. And we're going to spritz this on the front of the truck. And that'll give us some playroom to kind of move it around while it's still on there. And then we can squeegee out the alcohol solution and it should just stick.
So for 38 inches.
So we need to measure the full length of this.
39 about. That is
32.
32.
Just under 32. We'll call it 31 and a half.
Yep. Yeah, so if we go, so 2 and 3/4 on either side.
Yep.
I was gonna find the center and put a center mark on that, but that makes sense too. We did 2 3/4 on either side.
Now the trick with these two is you want to peel this paper back at a sharp angle too. So if you get it peeled, you almost want to pull it back over on itself, because otherwise it'll want
it already.
Yeah, it wants to take the vinyl with it.
Mirror. Spin it around the other way.
So we can blame the guy behind the camera for that one.
Yeah. I love it.
Is it level?
Look straight, it is straight, right?
I think we're done.
Yeah.
We have some more graphics that we're going to do. We'll cut them off camera. I don't think we want to show you the machine running for all of it, but we'll put them on, and I don't know what else to say.
Thumbs up.
24 hours later.
We're going to spray with an alcohol solution up here that's going to give us a little bit of flexibility in applying this vinyl. Give us a chance to shift and move it if we need to. And then we're just going to squeegee out all of that solution and leave a pretty sweet sticker with Tim's New Perspectives Music logo.
Yeah, that works.
Are you happy?
Yeah, let's squeegee that.
All right.
Ow! That was great.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is just my name, Tim Sway, where you can see a whole bunch of more videos about this truck as well as all the other junk I do. But you will also see some more content that we shot at Narwhal Labs there. Thank you very much, and I'll see you around the internet. Play us out.